Ebushafo ma munyina akwa ba eba Ghana Asem TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe. Then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Bushafo yako NSM no way.
Miadom. Anyway, my main fa we video tsunami tia Ghana for in we tie for no ahwe for mo show and then you bring. I be say watch church and same. Madam ba fu etie nkwasi afo so ebo skri hehe. Sa na ete. O man ye na ya adwen to me here back but dia me brother kan me ne ya adwen. NPP this high time I say ya ba ya share strongholds a year pa. Me I quite remember one of unfortunate statement your president Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo make abroko Kumasi akwabre east for almost su o ma kwan ho ka say eduta me omo koto aba their own decision is their own choice being to me enforcing some kway ekwan na don't move to fa kwan na threaten say o me ekwan na farmer and that statement went along to bring down some of our votes in Ashanti region because if they can Kwabre Easter is our second first World Bank at Ashanti region because voter if it's Kwabre Easter or urban and your vote ketwa. So I think said ya menu and it's a high time I say a bar. You bet me have Ashanti region, Western region, Eastern region, Central region. Na pay Ibia North East no ababeka. You bet me win elections for Ghana easily. But yeba, I don't want to sound like I'm doing a tribal politics, but yeba, is your core voter right now.
Every political party this. It's a tribal assembly.
Yeah. This is your core voter right now. Say one of the best rules I will be in Ghana ha. Oko voter right now. Oshe Peter me will send your oye whole central. Oshe na double road. Oh boy, yeah. Oh. Inti send me na yes so so we still think about them send you to me almost a vote but yeah ecosystem and kwashe she tamale she interchange say ekosi ho enkosi she if ye tamale interchange whereby your western region takrade from interchange ye kra ye ntumi wi afama I quite remember ye call and manifesto I went some me takrade mu say belusu 2024 elections because almighty takrade pa you do western region pa almighty takrade pa yentu ambandi yeso pepepe mu se no enyoma ye den enko yi but ye mpenifo se achia embu ye edesi abebu bia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia should go ahead and then organize the party base and I'm happy say and I no be chase am e say oh yeah your friend is saying underground works bia o she mpenifo bi onu omo ye den Edin Komosa on the CSOs no and Memfa Nasia so my minority leader. He is doing a very great job, fantastic job. Because Tescom a confirm cry. But you see, right now I can see say Tescom is coming back on its roots. And at the same time, so Nyamia Dum MPs so etumi some of the reference saying business gurus no omoni one more meetings na there omuti omu consensus omu koko reference growing areas so etie omu consensus omu momo ni so these are some of the fantastic way initiatives I yempeni for na take care ebetumi aboa my party na so aba back to its roots and mesre this is the time ayeye edwuma no with me say your friend is prime minister because supporting Kenya Japan. Let me again coordinator with F2.
Okay.
But I can tell you say
okay.
No more Ken. You were one candidate to pay in support only Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Wow.
Yeah.
Ukodi say Ken for no more the base mean you no more the base mesro. It Ken and can win ya. And like Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and also the base and how will you feel? It doesn't make sense. Your party, your co-election, free and fair. This is the time person you show and quiet party never power yeah, baby, it's not party about power, yeah, baby, so a party about power, me dream, their me if you party, me dream their party by Yamagana form, Akuma beto me, yem. Shamino Kase, Uba Winiba. Some of the boys are Munya, military, police, immigration, fire service, as I'm talking to you today, most of them, worry, yeah, where no one invite him some chairman.
Wow.
Last 2 weeks, me koye chairman one of the wedding be am koye. Hwempenifu o motete ho na wo ye frɛ me small boy say me be chairman.
Wow.
Eye nyomyam hye. What I say? Because some kolan san ko mu nya police na anko. Se me man ko ye adwuma na kapati am pa no mu nya police na anko anka no metu I when them invite me. No way. So we should take beyond their memenya or party no. Free education here by. Woni mo ohia se edu to Ghana. Free education here by no. But me ne wo ye sweat and I'm a sank of no this free education so everybody aba and it has reduced our problems. When you bi o one na first na ko ba do sika na ko de kotwe o sika bi anka o ko to baby no o ba ba dia kotwe o do go kotwe school fees so. But through free education when you go school free sans sika na show bottom.
Yeah.
What to be the year before from.
Yeah.
Me free education na me wo fa ase for me ensa na ekom. Me sister emba me ensa na ekɔ free education. Mrs. High School we in scan and I'm the account and the man kwala into we school no and no university o man say you should size scan on the show mo.
Wow.
Abani for scan me bottom. It's not necessary say me eduma ye wa ban mo but abani will create an environment make me ye eduma me so me ho be ha me no be so ho be ha no. So let's come together. NPP is the only political party here ba you tun be eduma drip machines here dey buy the drip abo and this for no boy but in there ye regional coordinator ye national coordinator but in no be national coordinator maybe regional coordinator maybe even constituency coordinators for drip machines. Omo ba me ntumi anya adwen ehu say yen create myth but the now dan kweku for the NPP for ye create myth mineral investment fund e man there omo yi esi enu nkete aba ma o show odidi.
Yeah.
It is the only NPP party na eba power. Yetumi bie nduma and this for ba basin tele ya no di atemu. Youth employment one e create ye reku for na create ye. Na the basin tele ne when youth employment e friend say we are old. It be me mesre NPP party no wa obu efu bia for ebufo no feto nchen. Ye na yen come back together. Let's mobilize ourselves. Na 2028 yendi 2 million farm NPP aban. Ni enim say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia won nyoma pi owo nyoma pi odibegu akwentwe oba win ba yempo anu ha ya omusu. Na ke the solar outboard motor si ba ya ke ya apofu ya nke nko mo ha mo nko pepetu echi kwan. But emperifor say na mekai no say achia embuye. We can still come together. Let's forget about the base. Let's forget about Ken Japan. We lose. Ya papa Ken Japan so tie ya panichao. Umbra out. Number voice out. No fanche supporters. The supporters of the supporters. Me say, Massa, I'm an NPP man. I still believe the ideologies of the NPP. I'm not going anywhere. Let's come together. Let's work together and make Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as president. Obedi president. Kenya Japan, we do my best and also. We do my best also. Nobody didn't pass in.
Yeah.
Nobody did ask in. It's bra. One name na yambum. Yambum dear, Mr. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. More than I do so copal until you hear Alan. Dabi. Uncle. Because of a friend and catch him club about saying, Uncle. Yambum came one idea now more when 10 I didn't have from me now on board. Near to movie a party forward. But I was saying, I'm there in break.
Thank you so much, Uncle Bonnie, for that excellent communication. And as I said, the way you are spoken, that is how we want patriots to speak. After an election, we are all back into the camp of the elephant. That is the most important camp for all of us. The most important thing is the elephant must return to the Jubilee House. Whoever is the flag bearer doesn't really matter. The elephant must find its way back to the Jubilee House. And however we'll do that, however we'll come together to achieve that, we must all come together. May I say. Honorable Che, good evening.
Good evening, Busia Namboma.
so adomo na also.
Oba de adom ye. And party a yesumia yes Yankopon say 2028. Obetimi ama ya nwode ama ya nyansa na ebetimi de age Ghana every NDC for amamobofo no ensem because omo ba ye hu ade papa bia omo ye na the menu abanaka I think so show me picture very well of my status no so and I'm deep in so ben so name the workers so yeah can you may miss me a juma ma Kennedy or in Japan men and I'm machine all the data for the national no when I'm machine data so at the man which we can party in ya from me home party no yen ya from yen but as he said osno no na yesom no na yesom osno no na se asumdwe amba osno no obetofom asumdwe amba osno no obetofom na that na emasa asumdwe ni beba asumdwe ni nyina yese enne ebisi ken kasa ebisi onyedi me nkomo papa ni medi no free party ni mu ende emfi mu ochina free party ni mu ende emfi mu ochina my mouse scenario bi adinti na the base na free Kennedy Japan ne campaign office ono no yi o mo free o Kennedy Japan nye enye obi a o support side the base no it's never true. But the issue is sabe enye obi a na sabe obetia ne nanso mienu a onka aje obi wa between time the healing process answer and the message and I say see yeah mistake be a one share e be have seen even the presidential premise na e call no e be have seen no ni nyina the polling station election data ya picky mistake say o pa but ye hu no ye mistakes na wo ne say e wo mu say ye wo the existing 5 executives mo wo abo ne mu deda which that abo no ya cut off ye foforo but ye foforo no so mo ye 5 ne de say nipa kono emfumo party no cry dia na so obesa mba contest sa nipa kono a chance to be maintained in that album but two na count no say na ye arrange those two no emema album ay accurate and then me monitor the whole country and then some of the constituency in Ashanti region even Greater Accra Ebi try say they will matriculate the album in favor of omomo candidate for the PC, which and just say banisa. When he said nipa kwana wusan chim ne nsa a person ba be delegate or ba sum party no. Sa nipa kono on the 7th December 2028 ubehia no. What is it? So I didn't know ma didn't free and fair. Uncle election we near fine. Or lose a fine. Or better than one is election or coin will lose. By then play master game be a nephew. Who play master game be a so no NPP ni. But so on NPP ni. So on the 7th December. That nature of it me kwa campaign a channel. Ama kwakoto aba ama NPP anase that sem na okoka che de pakono ama kwakoye campaign aboa party no ama wetimi abeto aba ama party no. What I say? Yeah, very careful. Sadena ebe create adibia ebe akoye mess because you want to say nkofo bi so share chire create the base which try say the base no mpe for any presidential ambition bi ani nyina so sa gari sa not egu ye gari mu na ye mumu.
All right.
And this nkofo ya yes anchinchim omonsa not to be a delegate, you know. Some kofana so mama ya they will go and support the base agenda, which I'm why.
All right.
Omo NPP, omo the base no. Some kofana normal NPP mo. And the election is 50+1. Are you getting me? It's 50+1, not 51%. It's just 50+1 vote.
Right.
Which ye be nyina. And I think say this constituency executives or the patrons who are holding the election, this polling station election, they have to be very careful and be honest to the party.
Right.
Other than that, they are creating mess for the party.
Okay. I think the point is
Ashanti region.
well made.
Ashanti region.
Can you wrap up in a minute for me? Let me take a reaction from Manuel, and then I will also answer to it. Then we see the way forward.
All right.
Okay, and then Manuel, Bremami, why? So I think what he's saying, Dr. Isiama and Dr. Kwata also in the comment section is confirming it, and it's true. Says some of voter region have some of these are ongoing. But I think, sir, the party also has put in the measure as to conflict resolution and how sometimes you can even bypass some of the steps and then quickly elect people who are at higher hierarchies in the party. But what is your view on what he's saying? Because this is a valued point.
All right. Voice, thank you very much this evening for the opportunity. Before I proceed, person me wish you all the BEC candidates for Nina good luck. And then I'm sure we'll be seeing us into your mom good luck. I think that the Yankasa MPP for no I or base no. We lack a bit understanding of the whole delegate system, like polling station election, no? Because whatever Honorable is talking about, no cray. That's why I think Dr. Siama Soya confirming.
Yeah.
And I also received the same complaint, I think, is it from a Sokwa constituency? I have a colleague who happened to be Tamla Mietescom president. She happened to be she was a deputy Wukom, and I think later the treasurer in the next administration, because she was behind me, so she was the deputy who commanded my administration. The next one she became the treasurer, and now I think she's going for a position as the electoral affairs officer for the polling station in I think Asokwa constituency. So the issue here is that Omo system know already think that they need to be retained. Like I say, Abibia Wawa, nobody should come and contest anybody in the album. That's number one. And number two, MPP for Nankasa Swa Omo constituency or no mupese omoko for position no, don't understand how the thing works. They don't understand how the thing works. So me say when she called me and told, I'm like, that thing no, or say, one person beka chen say coordinator ne beka say what top forms no ama like all the polling station under ne can say under the electoral area ni nyina. And I told her that like you can still go and purchase some
Yeah.
at the constituency office. The coordinator is not the one selling it. And yes, auto and what Tony Nama and they know. So if we MPP near, it doesn't matter if Obi or Womudada say Makwa Koto form and I say connect and I say Makoto from Snam Obia. We MPP near, you could have still gone to buy it. But they didn't understand the whole thing altogether. So I think say with the complaint when she called me And I told her, say, if no more person omo mafia, and I'm so if omo try something like that, should let me know. I'll send the issue up there. And then I think the party also gave some guidelines, like some timetable. I mean, who yeah, there were baby here for petition and appeal and stuff, you know. So I was thinking our people would have utilized that particular provision, you know, but they didn't, because they didn't. They didn't really understand the whole system. I believe going forward, when they are done, and then maintain who they be. I don't know why maintain who they be, sir. Though senior medica, my colleague called me from Asukwa, and then senior Mrs. Siama Kasane. That means your drop of it in various constituencies. Some on in Ayawasu constituency say, I've not seen anything like that, any agitation like that on our platforms. Me who ye and maintain like and be here too loud. So it might be there, but I say any idea a year strong, and I say any will be breezer. But
All right.
I believe going forward, we need to have much education about polling station election. Yeah, man, yes, say coordinator and ton embechemo coordinator koto be doesn't mean say it ends there. If you are in the polling, if you are within a polling station and you believe you are still competent to contest for a position, you can still pick a form and contest no matter what. Because Super me constituency, I also East constituency here. There are some coordinators who people are contesting. About 4 or 5 of them. They are entire we polling state coordinator. I think they are 11, 10 or 11 mubako. And out of them, no, 3 of them are being 4 of them are being contested aside the other position. And it shows people are showing interest in these positions. Formally, now Crawford say, oh, I said they are lots there and no one can touch them. I'm very happy with the electoral area, but the polling station, I believe it's a problem that going forward we need to address it. We need to talk about it. We need to educate our people down there so that they can understand the system very well. So that next time I Rebecca say because for polling station election, everybody will come on board. Because many people really showed interest, but because they didn't understand how the system works, some of them also withdrawn. All right.
Right. Thank you so much for.
Wait a minute. So I just
But
a minute now.
let me add.
Let me
Let me,
follow.
But let Yama Dr. Isiama emblem 3 minutes, then you
Yeah.
can. Yeah. Dr. Isiama,
Nia, I mean, I can. This is what is going on. A constituency election because no. On one did no. I won't be saying no. What they are doing now is they are trying to recruit people for the various polling stations so that one every near now one want to abana yede.
I'm home.
Enti mene nipa bebree akasa. Enti what they are doing one are making forms not available to the people. Senior Manuel Mr. Manuel Ekaye no. Enye obi na ote system na se.